Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with two of the only females currently in AWA who's taking on this business of wrestling in a world made of men. On my right hand, I have Nikki Vex, and on my left, I have Zuri. Nikki, how does it feel for you to be part of this AWA roster and one of the only two females training and getting ready to compete in the squared circle?
How does it feel? How does it feel? What do you mean, how does it feel? It's the best thing I can do out here. It's the only thing that makes me go into that ring and help out my boys. Don't ask me stupid questions. Please, on to the next.
Clearly the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Attitude is transferable. Hier op my linkerkant het ek vir Azuri, ons Afrikaanse poppie van Kaapstad. Azuri, hoe voel dit vir jou om deel te wees van hierdie AWA groep en besig om reg te maak om in die kruit te klim?
Dit is lekker om een van die eerste vrouens te wees in die kruit, en dit is ook lekker om te weet dat ek is 'n inspirasie vir ander vrouens om te weet dat hulle dit ook kan doen.
So for all the ladies out there who thinks this is a man's world, next to me I have two strong women ready to compete, one with attitude, one with friendliness. Let's see what they can do in the ring soon.